Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that many beginners are confused about, and that is Fiverr. If you are someone who wants to start earning online but doesn't know where to begin, so Fiverr is one of the easiest platforms to start your journey. Fiverr is a freelancing platform where people from all over the world offer their services and get paid. You do not need to be an expert in the beginning. You can start with simple skills like data entry, virtual assistant tasks, basic content writing, or even simple Canva designs. When I started learning about online earning, I also felt confused and unsure. But the truth is, you do not need to know everything on the day one. You just need to start with one skill and improve it step by step. The first step is to create your Fiverr account. After that, you create something called gig. Now, what is gig? A gig is simply the service you are offering. For example, you can create a gig like I will do data entry for you or I will be your virtual assistant. The most important thing is to write your gig clearly and honestly. Do not copy others. Use simple English so international clients can understand you easily. In the beginning, you may not get orders quickly, and that is completely normal. Every freelancer starts from zero, also I. What matters is consistency, learning, and patience. If you want to build a real online income, Fiverr can be your best choice. On this YouTube channel, I will share journey and help you learn step by step. If you are serious about starting freelancing journey, make sure you subscribe and follow along.